So continuing now with lesson 8 of our step-by-step tutorial, we've now seen how we've set the control width of all of these controls on the panel to be 100% so that they now fill the screen. But currently, in order to get back to the customer list, we have to swipe on the panel. What we really want is to have a panel header in the customer forms with a back button on it. So let's go back to design mode now and click on the panel underbar customer form, and now let's add a panel header to this form. So right click and say panel header, and then inside the panel header let's put some static text. So we'll go here and we'll go to other controls, and then inside other controls choose static text, and then let's go here in the static text and just type in the word edit. Then let's turn off the break. Let's go to panel header container 3 and center that text. So we'll go there and say center, and now let's put in a let's not do that. Let's leave center off, and let's keep this left justified, and let's put in a button now. So let's go and then put in a button. This is going to be our back button. We want the back button to be before the static text that says edit. So here's our back button. Let's turn off the break again. Let's go and give this button a label called back. And in order to make the button look like a back button, let's go and choose a special sub-theme for the button. So if we were to go and run this right now, we'll see that the button doesn't yet look like a back button, and it also doesn't do anything, and also edit is not centered. So let's go and fix all of those problems. So first we'll go to the back button and we'll choose a sub-theme. So in order to choose a sub-theme, you go onto the right-hand side, choose the sub-theme property in button appearance, click on the smart field, and let's choose left. So now we've basically made this button look like a back button. Now we want the text, the static text that says edit, to be centered. So let's now use this tab stop control. So if I put in a single tab stop after the button, then what we're going to do is divide the panel header into two sections. This will be left aligned and this will be right aligned, but we want the edit to be center aligned. So let's go and put another tab stop after edit. So now we have the button left aligned, the static text center aligned, and then we have nothing to the right of the static text. So let's go back now to working preview and click on a row. So you can see now we have our back button. Edit is now centered, but the back button itself doesn't actually do anything yet. So let's go back now to this button and define the event handler for the button. So we'll go on the right hand side to the JavaScript click event, click the smart field to open up the builder. We can use action JavaScript to write the code for us. So we'll say add new action. We'll go to UX components, and then we'll select panel actions, click OK. The action that we'd like to select is set the active panel, and the panel that we'd like to set focus to is panel customer list. So let's go ahead now, click OK, and if we go here and click on the view JavaScript button, we can see the code that got written for us. It's just the standard panel set active method that we've previously seen. So let's go ahead, save this now, go back to working preview, click on a row in the customer list, and now click back, and we can see we go back to our form. So we're beginning to see now the native behavior and native look, the mobile native looks that we wanted. We're still not done yet, but let's pause now and pick this up in the next video.